Hi, my name is Fred and I will help you get pro at Photoshop. So if you always dream to learn Photoshop and become digital artist, this is the right place for you. With my guidance, you will quickly go from zero to pro. And the best part is that through this process, you will create more than 60 amazing projects that you won't find anywhere else. And here are some of them. But besides photo projects, you will also create some crazy animations using Photoshop. There is also one last thing that makes this course so great. You can always get my support. So let's say you got stuck, you don't know what to do, you can message me and I will reply to you the same day and you can continue learning Photoshop. So how is the course structured? Every week you will get new lessons and projects. After finishing each work you will send it to me and I will get back to you with some feedback. Like this you will get towards your goal step by step. Besides sending you lessons and projects, you will also get so much valuable and engaging information like how to earn money with your work, how to promote yourself, how to choose the perfect picture, and so much interesting stuff. So what exactly do you get? By subscribing to this course, you get lessons that will guide you from zero to pro in Photoshop, amazing photo project tutorials, animation tutorials, tons of engaging content, and also my full support 24/7, anytime, anywhere. So see you guys at the first lesson. Bye!